Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the session. It's so, after this insightful panel discussion, it's difficult to follow in terms of the insight that they've shared, the journeys that they've shared, starting with Digiyatra, and then of course this particular panel where we talked about different challenges. But I'm also, feeling that this is a perfect segue in terms of introducing what we have to offer in terms of the journey of our customers toward digital transformation. So let me just start with, who is HCLSoftware, what we do. We are part of a very popular group called HCL, but I can tell you HCLSoftware is one best kept secret. We have a very formidable business in terms of HCLSoftware. As you can see, it's a truly global company, and we're very honored being the largest software product business out of India, which many of, I'm sure you would be finding it surprising because, as I said, it's a best known secret, and our focus in the market, especially in India, has started to grow. In fact, it's one of our strategic markets. So today I would love to share with you how we are helping customers in terms of their journey. So we are, as I said, we are helping our customers across the globe. Half of our Fortune 500 customers, we are helping in their digital transformation journeys. I think enough has been talked about the impact, but this is where I want to start. If you look at the evolution of digital transformation, it's not new. I think it has been happening for last decade. It started with core IT. Today, we are at digital plus economy, and I mean that when we've seen this evolution from core IT to the cloud push which happened after the pandemic, today we are at a stage where all the emerging technologies likes of generative AI, IoT, cloud are integral part of any organization, IT processes, operation, and not only the integral part, but also they're becoming a huge value creation drivers. Where we see is, in terms of how we are seeing, based on our experience with customer, we are marching towards autonomous digital organization. And what it means that we will be reaching a stage in years to come where we can actually run supply chain for a large automobile makers with very, very less human intervention, just by AI. Or we can have a customer services operation of a large pharmaceutical company being managed by AI with a very limited involvement of human. So that is the phase that we are getting into, which is autonomous digital. However, it is going to be a journey, and it is fraught with challenges. And just relating with the previous panel where they talked about a couple of challenges, and I think we truly resonate with it. If you look at data, right, it's, this whole model that we're talking about, generative AI, it's all about garbage in or garbage out. So how do you really get your data in right shape where you get accurate results? Or it is about the modernizing your outdated technology where those have not been scalable over the years or prone to cyber attacks. Third, the toughest is the change around culture. We have found, working with several organizations across the globe, that this particular cultural change is hard, okay? And I would love to talk about some of the stories where how we have helped organizations taking care of all these three challenges with a suite of solutions that we have. So if you look at, for us, digital should start with customer experience. This is at the center of it, where it is about having a loyalty with the customer, getting them attracted to your platform, nurturing it, and making them a loyal customer for lifelong. That is entire customer success journey. Similarly, the second part that we're seeing is a huge pillar where we really need transformation in terms of setting up for digital transformation is data. Enough has been talked about data as well in terms of how do we organize it, how do we clean it, how do we really ensure there's a right input to the right model where we have the accuracy on the result side. Third is AI, okay? AI is everywhere. I think we all know it, but how practically you use AI in terms of the real business challenges that we solve using technology. And the fourth pillar that we say is intelligent operation, which means that you infuse AI into every operations of your IT, whether it is about your IT management of your infrastructure, servers, endpoint, or it is about infusing on the observability stack. Today we see challenges where customers have silo tools to manage some of this stuff, right? It's hard, okay? And these are becoming hindrances over the period of time. So these are the four pillars that we believe are the core for any digital transformation. And how we are helping our customers in terms of the comprehensive solutions that we have is start with the total experience, where not only customer experience, but also your employee experience, your user experience, and we have a suite of solutions around that. Similarly, on the customer journey, starting from attracting the customer, educating them, helping them transact on your platform, and making them a loyal customer of yours, there has been a suite of products from Marketing Cloud to Commerce Cloud to After Sales Cloud, right? So the entire end-to-end journey can be managed through suite of solutions that HCLSoftware offers. Third, and the most important, in fact, the largest growing vertical for us is data. And no surprises, right? With generative AI, I think data is at the front and center. But important is, rather than having separate tools to manage your data, starting from sourcing it, massaging it, cleaning it, organizing it, is there a platform-centric approach which helps you to take care of your entire journey from where the data is collected versus where you take it to the generative AI model and it gives you an output which is meaningful, which can take an informed decision. So data analytics is a very, very strong platform, and I'm going to touch upon that. And the intelligent operation, I said we have a suite of solutions across infrastructure management, endpoint management, your website development, application development management, so entire automation suite. So today, I think I don't have enough time to cover all of it, but I would like to touch upon three key areas. One is customer experience, right? So we have a suite of solutions where the entire customer journey can be mapped from attract to educate to transact to nurture through suite of solutions. And it's a very, very comprehensive, well-integrated stack which HCLSoftware offers. And proof is always in the pudding, right? So here is an example I would love to share. India's largest bank, they decided to go ahead with HCLSoftware, with our suite of solutions, to digitally transform their engagement with 600 million of their users, right? So this is the power of the platform. And incidentally, this is also the largest MarTech implementation that you see across the globe using HCLSoftware suite of products. So we are very proud of that. The second area is, as KK, who heads our business, he also mentioned about data, right? From our perspective, the platform that we have, we talked about, we start with the integration of the quality of data. How do you ensure your data is clean, your data is healthy, so that you can actually use AI and you can train your models and drive right output? So starting from integration from different sources, making sure the quality is right, making sure there are no biases in the data, okay, so that you don't have any bias output. Or the catalog data management. Lineage, I think Mr. Saini from Lupin talked about the lineage is so important when you're trying to do it across the different, whether it's hybrid or cloud or on-prem at different sources, and you're trying to collect data from different sources and trying to organize the data. Mesh is another integral part of our platform where it helps you to manage these different silos in a comprehensive manner, where you can get your data and organize it in a very single cohesive way. And last but not the least, how do you monetize this data? Okay, you've collected the data, you've created those outputs, you have tried to create new business model, but how do you monetize it? So if you look at this entire data intelligence platform, in our case, this is offered by one platform, we call it Actian. Okay, as I said, it's our highest growing business, and we are introducing this India market as we speak. But there are a lot of global stories already, whether it is in insurance, or it is in clinical trial, or it is in stock of, broking operations, right? So there are several use cases and case studies I'm happy to share. I don't have a whole time to go through it, but I would love to say this, that for all your AI initiatives, your data is the priority, right? And to organize that, there is a platform that we offer, and it is being used by thousands of customers across the globe, where we cover the entire journey before it get to the model for training and driving the desired results. Now, the third aspect of any customer journey is that how do you really personalize it, okay? How do you delight your customers using, whether it is AI-driven personalization, whether it is recommendation, or whether it is an omni-channel experience, right? So this is also a very fundamental part of our platform. And I have another example. I'm sure some of you or most of us would have visited Hilton, okay? So if you look at your experience of any customer who goes and visit Hilton, right, starting from checking in, ordering services, right, engaging with the staff, engaging with employees, right, or the entire user experience, it happens on HCL stack, okay? So that is our HCL CX stack, which includes MarTech, which includes commerce, so, and low-code, no-code platform that KK just alluded to, right? Very powerful platform used by several customers across different industries. Last, I would say that the three aspects we covered CX, we covered data, we covered AI, but most importantly, the bedrock of your any digital transformation that you try to drive in is your intelligent operations. You may agree with me that over the period of time, while we've collected so many tools over the period of time to manage our IT operations, to manage our tech stack, but they have become in a siloed fashion, right? And there's no interoperability, right? It's very difficult to look at infusing AI with so siloed approach, right? So we have a stack of solutions on intelligent operations where we have suite of products where we help our customers to infuse AI in a very practical fashion where you have meaningful results. And it's a true partnership between human and AI. It's not a black box where there's an input to the AI that goes and there's an output that comes out, which is not reliable. So in our case, we have used human in the loop to ensure practically we know how the input is being given, how the output is being driven, right? Across all our tools, right? So this is mostly on the 4 challenges that our panelists share. We at HCLSoftware also agree, and these are the software in the stack and solutions that we offer across our customers to solve these challenges. I just want to leave you with one thought, right? When you look at this journey, okay, whether you look at the nirvana stage where you have agentic AI, whether you have different consumer AIs, or any other particular enterprise journey that you try to embark on, it's a journey, okay? It doesn't happen overnight. It has to be planned in a manner where you have the most reliable partner with you who has not only the product-centric approach, but also offer products which are secure, okay, which are enterprise grade and which are being used by organization over the period of time, running the most complex environment, reliable, and last but not the least, and the most important I would say is end-to-end, right? Starting from CX to data to AI to running your operation using AI. So HCLSoftware offers the entire stack. And in India, we have doubled down on our strategy. Recently, we are expanding our presence in the verticals. So I would encourage you to come to our booth. We'll have our colleagues who would love to share how we are helping other organizations and deep dive into subject, right? So I hope this time was useful for you in terms of understanding a stack. But we are very excited about the India market. We believe that we have the right set of solutions made in India for the globe. We have a long runway in terms of helping in the digital transformation of this country across the vertical. Thank you.